guys, in this video I will be showing you the first steps in learning how to crochet. First thing first, in choosing your first yarn, I would say the bigger the better. So choose a chunky yarn. In this particular one I'm using a 5mm hook, and it is easier for you to see what I'm doing. The goal in this video is so you can familiarize yourself with holding the yarn, holding the hook, and keeping the tension consistent. If you already have your yarn and your hook, let's get started. First we are going to start with a loop. Make a little circle and use your hook. Pull it through and pull the short end. Got a loop here. You can tighten it a little bit, and this is how you create a starting loop. As I'm right-handed, how I usually hold the yarn is using my middle finger and my thumb. I would be holding the short end of the yarn. Using my point finger, I would be holding up the long yarn, and we'll be using this to adjust tension. And I will be using my pinky finger and my ring finger to actually pull the yarn taut like this. And with my hook hand, which is my right hand, there are a few different ways of holding a hook. This is a knife hold, where you hold it like a knife really, and there's another one also which is a pencil hold, where you hold it like a pencil. It depends on which one you find more comfortable for you. Play around with both hold, and on this particular one I would be showing you with a knife hold just because it is easier to do on the camera. To start with our first chain, it is very easy. We are just going to do yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. So to yarn over, what I prefer to do is to move my hook in front of the long yarn and then move it backwards so I can hook the yarn here. When you are pulling through the loop, twist the hook so it faces downwards. So if I don't turn my hook downwards, as you can see here, it will just get stuck to the loop. Even sideways is the same. So this way it will be easy. Let's try that again. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through. As we make the chain longer, move your finger upwards so you have a better grip. Yarn over and pull through. If you are doing it correctly, you would be seeing these beautiful braided looking chains. If yours doesn't look like this, don't worry so much. Practice makes perfect. And that is it for this video. Keep practicing the hold and the tension and getting yourself used to this movement. You'll know that you're ready for the next lesson once your chain looks like this.